These are a bunch of pliers, obviously. These are jewelry making pliers, and more importantly than that, they're my wife's jewelry making pliers. She likes to mess around with making earrings and the like. And yeah, she's like, comes to me and it's like, I'm tired of having them in a cup like this. Can we have a stand made so that she can hold them? And you know, if she gets a few more. And so of course the first thing you do is you check Pinterest and so on. And there basically seem to be two kind of ideas out there. And the one idea is sort of, you make like a base and a back, and then you get a piece like this, and then you hang your pliers on that. And that's one idea. The other idea that seems to be out there is to have a little dowel going across that you hang your pliers on, except you would arrange them sort of in a V shape. So you got two dowels down low and one dowel up top, so that kind of holds the arms open. But again, you have to balance on this dowel, and I was trying it out. I was thinking about different variations on the first idea, and so I got this piece of wood, and I'm like, well, they don't want to sit. And here's the issue I'm seeing is there's this little spring here that bounces the plier open, and that seems to get in the way of this. So then I was thinking, and you know, I'm going through my scrap wood and all this, and I thought, well, what about your old, test tube stand? What if I just drill a few holes? So I tried that. This is a 7/8 inch hole. This is a test piece of oak that I had, and I made a hole, and I made another one, and then of course I asked my wife what she thought, and she agreed with me. This is kind of boring. It's not a very interesting video. It's not a very interesting project. It doesn't look that exciting. And I mean, the one thing is, when you have them on a rack like this, you can just slide them on. So you can just pack them in there and you can keep going more. And when you're drilling individual holes, well, they're individual holes. So, you can have 5 holes, that's 5 pliers, that's it. Whereas here, you can sort of spread them out and you can fit on 5, 6, 7, or 8. But yeah, it doesn't seem to be, those other ideas don't seem to be working. So I have here a nice hunk of cherry from a previous project, and I'm just going to drill some holes, and I think we're just going to live with it for a couple of months and try it out. Form follows function. You can think, I want to come up with the cool design, but if it doesn't work, well, then maybe you better just stick with the simple design. Time to go drilling. Actually, I can't go drilling right away. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to run it over the joiner and give it a nice smooth top. I'm going to square off the ends and figure out how long it's going to be, and we'll trim that down on the table saw, and we'll put a little curve on it just for a little bit of visual interest. So there we are. One quick, simple little project, and hopefully one happy wife. It's an experiment. We're gonna live with it for a while, see if she likes it, see if it works. Sometimes the simple things are all you need. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.